Hello, my name is David Marsh, and I'm in the West End Ministries Bountiful Harvest Community Garden. And today we're going to be talking about the fall garden and planting plants in the fall garden. As we reach the end of the summer garden and they're starting to look all tired and wore out, and all of our plants have produced about all they're going to make for the year, we forget about the fall garden. This is the best time to get ready to start planting. Get all that old stuff off your garden and get it ready to go for the fall. Till up the soil, work it up, and get it ready. Dig you a nice trench. Fill it full of all of your compostable material, your manure, your fertilizer, whatever you use for a soil enhancement, and get ready to plant. Cover it back up, and then plant your fall products. You could plant anything in the fall that you planted in the spring. Cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, all sorts of leafy vegetables, and all your root vegetables, beets, turnips, things of that nature. Today we're looking at some cabbage plants. Now, these are cabbages that we got from Tri-County, Soviero's Tri-County, and there are different varieties of all kinds. It doesn't make any difference what kind you use. The main thing is, when you get the plants from the nursery or the garden shop, you'll see it's a little leggy and floppy, so you want to plant them deep. The reason being, there's a lot of wind in the fall, and it'll beat those poor little plants half to death, whipping them back and forth. So you plant them low, that way they have a good chance to establish a good root system, and then you can gather all the harvest, put it in stews, make those cabbage rolls, whatever you want to, and extend your growing season on into the cold weather months with your garden all year round, not just for the summer.
We hope you enjoyed today's presentation. I'm Mark Taylor, and I'm with the High Point Public Library Teaching Garden. For more information, contact us directly or go to our website.